Hello everyone, let us solve the following. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack, getting a diamond, getting a card that is not a heart, getting the ace of hearts? Okay, so a standard deck of pack definitely has 52 cards. Okay, so there are four suits which are hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades, each one having 13 cards. Okay, so here what is done? Rahim removes all hearts. So we have heart cards 13. So he has removed all 13 cards. So remaining cards will be 52 minus 13. That is 39 cards. 52 minus 13 is equal to 39 cards. So remaining cards will be 39 cards. These become all possible outcomes for that particular probability finding. Okay, right. So here, this basic formula, let us recapitulate once again. The probability of an event E is given by uh, P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, number of outcomes favorable by total number of possible outcomes. In this way, we find the probability of particular event. Okay, so here we are going to find out first the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack. Okay, out of 52, 13 13 cards were removed, so total cards are only 39. We need to find the probability of an ace. Okay, so originally we have four aces, but ace of hearts won't be there because all hearts are removed. Okay, so ace of diamonds will be there, that will be one. Ace of clubs will be there, that will be one. And ace of spades will be there, one. So remaining aces will be three. So this three becomes the favorable outcome to find out to get an ace from the remaining pack. Okay, so total number of favorable outcomes becomes three. Okay, and what is the total number of possible outcomes? 39, because out of 52, 13 hearts were removed, so possible outcomes become 39. So what is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack? So P of ace is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. Okay, so here favorable outcomes are 3, possible outcomes are 39. 39 cards are there. Okay, so 3 by 39. So when we simplify it, it becomes 1 by 13. So probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack when all hearts are removed. Okay, so we'll get the probability as 1 by 13. Okay, right. Next, what is the next point to be found out? Getting a diamond. Okay, so we have 13 diamond cards, right? Yes or no? So the favorable outcomes will be 13 only, right? And possible outcomes, how many possible outcomes are there? 39 cards are there. Out of these 39 cards, we need to get a diamond card. Okay, so here favorable outcomes are 13 because totally 13 diamonds will be there. Okay, and total possible outcomes are 39. So the probability of getting a diamond will be again total number of possible outcomes by total outcomes. So total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Here favorable outcomes are 13 and possible outcomes are 39. So 13 by 39, that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, right. Next, getting a card that is not a heart. Getting a card that is not a heart. Getting a card that is not a heart means, we need to exclude all hearts. Of course, before itself, he has removed all hearts, all the cards which are related to hearts. So all remaining 39 cards are not hearts. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a card that is not a heart? Here total favorable outcomes will be 39. Any card out of 39 may be the card which is not a heart because we have removed all the hearts there. Okay, so all remaining 39 cards are not hearts. Here what is happening? Here favorable outcomes are 39, possible outcomes are also 39, because we have only 39 cards. Okay, so here how will we find the probability? Probability of an event is nothing but favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. Okay, here probability of not being a heart. Here probability of not being a heart means here favorable outcomes are 39 and possible outcomes are also 39. Okay, so that means for every draw we will get a card which is not a heart. It's simple, no? So 39 by 39, that is equal to 1. So when the probability is 1, we call it as a sure event. We know it. Okay. So here the probability of getting a card which is not a heart is 1. It becomes the sure event of this particular constraint. Okay. Right. Next one. Fourth one. What is fourth point to be found out? Getting an ace of hearts. So obviously we can say that getting the ace of a heart, it is impossible because cards of hearts are being removed from the pack. Okay, all aces, that means when all cards are removed means ace is also removed. Okay, so ace of hearts was removed definitely. So what is the probability of getting favorable outcome? Zero, because no heart card is there. So favorable outcome is 0. So 0 by possible outcomes 39. 0 by 39 is equal to 0 only. So it is an impossible event. It is obvious, we can say that, when the hearts are removed, it is impossible to get a heart ace. Yes or no? It's simple observation also. But according to probability formula, how can we say that the number of favorable outcomes by possible outcomes? Here favorable outcomes are 0 because we cannot get the card ace of heart because all heart cards are removed. Okay, yes or no? So it becomes an impossible event because when the probability is 0, it is known as an impossible event. So finally, what can we say? That when all hearts are removed, getting the ace of hearts, the probability of getting the ace of hearts will be 0. Okay, the probability of getting a card that is not a heart will be 1. Okay, and getting a diamond is 1 by 3, and getting an ace from the remaining pack will be also 1 by 3. Okay, in this way we are able to solve. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.